Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to build a Wix website on the go? Learn in this video how to create and customize your Wix site using just your mobile phone. Make your website creation more convenient than ever. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video, we will learn how we can start creating a new site from your mobile device on Wix. So, create a custom site on the fly, straight from your mobile device. To create your site from mobile, you can either use the Wix Owner app or go to wix.com on your browser. This is something how it looks when you edit things on your phone. Now, this article is going to explain things in detail, and I'm going to provide some other explanation and we're going to applicate it in general. So starting by creating new sites from the Wix Owner app. Create a new site on the go using the Wix Owner app. Give your customers the convenience of connecting with your business directly from their mobile devices throughout one of the Wix member apps. Whether they are browsing products, reading your latest blog posts, scheduling services, or staying in the loop with updates, your members can effortlessly engage with your offerings. Now, before you begin, make sure that you have downloaded the Wix Owner app to your mobile phone. This application is basically available on both iPhone and Android. So that's not a problem if you don't have iPhone. If you do have Android, that's not a problem because the app exists in both phones or devices. So once you have downloaded the application, go to Wix Owner app on your mobile device. Choose an option. If there is, or if this is your first site with Wix, tap Create now. If you already have a Wix site, tap the site list drop down at the top of your screen, tap plus Create New Site at the bottom. Choose how you want to start creating a site. There is mainly two ways. There is either to chat with the AI assistant. The AI will ask you a couple of questions, you're gonna answer them and manage to give you the best apps, the best dashboard, the best settings for your website to get to go. There is the second option, which is to set up manually without an AI assistant. This will cause you to have to install and edit and do the setup all by yourself. So I highly recommend to start with an AI so you can have a start ahead from other people, and yeah, that's gonna help you a lot. Now, what's next? You can edit your site on mobile from anywhere at any time. You can edit it directly from the Wix Owner app, mobile browser, or from your Wix account on the desktop. Now, what about doing this on, like, let's say you didn't find Wix Owner app or your Android device doesn't really work with it. So what can we do in this case? Well, you can open Wix on your browser. So you can also create new sites from your mobile device browser if you prefer not to download the Wix Owner app. After choosing from several options that help pinpoint what your site is about, Wix builds the site for you. You can then customize the site to your liking and publish it to go live. Now, to create a new site from your mobile browser, log into wix.com from a supported browser on your mobile device. Now, for supported browsers, as you can see here, for mobile devices, you will find them right over here. So there is Google Chrome for Android, Google Chrome for iPhone, and Safari version 14 and above. And note that the Studio Editor supports version 15 and above. And also there is Facebook in-app browser, for example, when you click a link inside of the Facebook app. So these are the main ones that you need to understand. For those who are using iPads and tablets, then they accept Google Chrome and Safari. iPad has to be iOS 14 and above and Android 9 and above. Now let's go back here. So once you have opened your browser, if you do not have a Wix account, make sure to sign up. Then tap the plus create new site, then tap one of the following options, as we talked about, which are basically AI, or basically starts with AI or something like that. Side note, if this is your first time creating a site, select who the site is for. Myself, my business, or a friend, or a client. As a freelancer or agency. If you select a client, a freelancer, or agency, you will then be asked to select how you plan to use the platform before being redirected to download the Wix Studio. So as we said, the restart chat, or basically start without the AI assistant. So these are the main two ways. Also on PC, you can edit your site just like on mobile. How you can do that? Well, there is a method. Let me show you. Once you open your site and you go to edit sites, here basically you will be able to edit your site, but this is the desktop version and we want the mobile version. Well, there is some people who would say easy. Let's click here and let's go to the, for example, let me just click somewhere, or we can just click in this area. I think you have to press F11 if I'm not mistaken, or F12. Okay, yeah, F12. So once you click on F12, you will have this kind of thing here open for you. So you'll have elements, you'll have style, and you will have a couple of other things. Now, if you clicked in this area, you will be able to open this kind of like a mobile theme. So you can switch from desktop to mobile. And here you can choose which type of mobile size you would like to have. But this is not as efficient as you think, since it will not turn only the website or the template that you want to edit into mobile, but the whole page of the browser, which turns everything like this buttons, the sidebar, everything here is basically turned into like a mobile style, which we don't really want that. That is why what we do actually is basically click right here, simply click here. So you have to click right over here on this mobile, and as you can see, look, let me just wait, and there it is. It turned into a mobile website. So now we can edit it both in the desktop view and the mobile POV. So you can have switch back and forward, change things and manage to make them comfortably to the eye and basically make the website more responsive when it comes to the PC and mobiles. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. This is how you can edit and start making your site on mobile devices. It doesn't matter if it is a tablet, iPhone or Android. As long as you have a mobile, you can get ready with Wix. Thank you guys a lot and see you guys in the next video.